Hello traders, this is Umar with you. Hope you are all doing good. So finally Nifty has managed to close above 15,700 thanks to global cues because US futures, US market closed in the green yesterday, and in fact US futures are flat today. They are not in the green or they are not in the red. And many people were bearish. Even I was bearish, and I still stand by that. I don't see I'm not going to say anything I don't see. Like I am still bearish. If the market is going to settle above 15,900, then we are going to be bearish. Still we are in the very crucial point only. Now what many people say is that 15,700 was a big support, and we had our positions, bearish position also. What happened yesterday was, if you know that you might be knowing that around 1:30 when the European market yesterday closed, Bank Nifty fell around 150 point in just 5 minutes. So we thought, okay, we were already bearish, and we thought, okay, market is going to go on the downside, and since 15,700 was a support, we saw, okay, it is going to be bearish. So what we did is we had a position, bearish position, and it was like very tight range. Like I had a position where my break-even point was 35,500, and on the downside I extended the range since the market was going down. And what happened today is very interesting. Bank Nifty shorted up around, gapped up by around 150 points, right? And it started moving. So from yesterday's close to today's high, it has gone by 500 points thanks to HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. Both the banks were shooting up. ICICI Bank shooted up by around 1%, and not 1%, 2%, and HDFC Bank shooted around 1%. So Nifty is moving, Bank Nifty is moving by 500 points. It gapped up and it is going 300, 400 points. 400, around 500 points move from yesterday till today. You are bearish, you are having bearish position. What you will do? I was really screwed up. I had a bearish position, as I told you. I had a bearish position. And today morning when the Nifty gapped up, my position was in a loss of around 20 or 23,000 rupees. At around 11 o'clock, the loss from 23,000 it came to 40,000 rupees loss. So Bank Nifty, I am talking about Bank Nifty only. Nifty was not performing. Nifty was struggling around 15,800. It was only Bank Nifty which was moving on the upside. Now what to do? I waited till European markets were maybe the scenario what happened yesterday. Maybe I thought after the European markets opened, Bank Nifty might be falling, but that that also never happened. So market shooted up. It went up. Believe me, I had to bring around 9 lakh rupees to bring that position into. I was in a loss of around 53,000. To bring the loss from 53,000 to 15,000, I have to bring in around 9.8 lakh rupees. You will see that in the screen. So total, my overall position was is in the profit only, but I had to bring so much money. Then I have to square off other position due to margin constraint. Then I have to divert that money into this Bank Nifty thing. So lots of things happened here. So this is the two-way move. How do you manage? How do we try to manage two-way move? Is like this only. You will have to have so much big amount of money to, and this is only 3 lots, not many lots. 3 lots of Bank Nifty I had. Then market gapped up. Then it's going 200, 300 points up. Move is going. It's a two-way move. Yesterday Bank Nifty around 130 it was down, and today it is moving on the opposite side. It's a two-way move. How do you think we can manage this? 9.5 lakh, 9.8 lakh rupees to bring that trade into profit. So the total position was in a loss of Bank Nifty alone was in a loss of more than 53,000 rupees. I squared off all the position, brought it down to 15,000. then all the position together, now we closed all the trade in a profit of 12,000 rupees. So it was a very hectic day, very stressful day for me. Around 22 orders alone punched in Bank Nifty. So this is one of the busy, hectic days, as I told, and let's see what the market says. As you know, Bank Nifty, everyone was bullish. In fact, everyone was bearish. In fact, we were also bearish, and we were telling Bank Nifty is not performing. So according to that, we were having our position. And what today happened, yesterday and today happened, is something really interesting. And what the historical option chain shows us is that market is kind of confused. There are call rating and put rating on the both side. But if you see today, there are call unwinding and there are good amount of put rating. So if the market sustains above 15,700, we should be seeing around 15,900 or 15,000, 16,000 in the coming days. And in the weekly chart, if you see Bank Nifty chart, there are call unwindings and put ratings in Bank Nifty, and 36,000 is going to be the resistance for Bank Nifty. So highest call is at 36,000, so that becomes a good resistance, and on the downside 35,000 is the good support. So this is the culprit. This is the one I was talking about. So once this happened, I was having a position here, and once the market kept on going, I was extending my range on the downside. We were bearish, but we were not super bearish. Now what happened exactly? Yesterday's close was 35,200 and today's open was 35,485, around 250 points gap up. Then it has moved to 35,700. 500 points move on the opposite direction, to your opposite direction. This is very, I don't know, very insane. And India VIX is down by around 2.85%. So let's see how market spans out. Only as per what we observe is that only Bank Nifty has performed because of ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank. Both are heavyweights in Bank Nifty. Apart from that, Nifty is not performing. In case Nifty closes above 15,900 and sustains above 15,900, we will turn bullish. Until then, we are neutral to neutral. Let's see what happens, and let's see how things pan out tomorrow. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.